this episode, I want to tell you a story about David and Goliath. One time, there's a man called David. He was a good take care of sheep. Do you know what shepherd is? It's a boy that takes care of sheep. And when lions and tigers try to catch big fluffy sheep, he will spot them and kill all of the lions, all of the tigers, all of the bears. One time, his dad called him and said, David, go to the battlefield and meet your brothers and give them some food to be energy, powerful, to be strong, and fight all of the Philistines. So David said, okay, he went on his long journey. And when he got there, his brother accused him of coming there because he thought that the brother thought that he was so small still. And David said, no, my dad told me to come here to bring food to you, and that's why I came. So the brother take the food and eat it, and then there was energy now. So when he look up, he saw a big, massive Goliath. Then when we were coming in his house, he will just broke our house down. And so he thought that he wanted to fight Goliath. And so he went home, and one time he went to King Saul. He said, King Saul, can I please fight against the Philistine, the big giant Philistine that named Goliath? Please, no one can fight him, but I'm still a little boy, but I know Jesus will be with me. I know that God, I worship God. I know that God will be with me always. So the king hoped that David was right, and he even put on some armor so big he can't even wear it. He even fell down that like he was dead. And then they put off the armor, and he decided to go buy his own shirt or own dress. So he said, God armor is only I need it. And so he went. David went to a brook, and he found 5 little stones. So he went to he got his sling and hid 5 small stones. And so he went to the battlefield and ready to fight. And then he said that today I want to fight you. Today, and you will be dead, and the birds will eat your flesh. And Goliath said, do you think I'm a dog that you come with sticks and bones? And David said, no, I don't, but today I'm going to kill you in the name of the Lord. And Goliath said, let's get ready. And he got us a stone, he got a sling, he put one little stone into the sling, and he do round. He do it really fast, then he can get up a giant head. So he threw it to Goliath's head. Goliath didn't like dead this way. He did forward. I was tumbling down, and he died. So that's what, boys and girls. Always believe God. When you don't believe God, you'll not win any battle. Even David's still a little boy, but he trusts in God. That's why he won every battle. So, boys and girls, always remember, our Lord is the mightiest, the King of kings, the Lord of lords, the powerest powers. And so, boys and girls, never worship idols. Thank you. God bless you. Tôi đã mang bao thay lục ta đến rồi bằng gen ta ninh nghe. Hạ về lại David cái chị hạ ôm hi. Ama bên chú mang mà để chẳng ama. Apa min jesin unau หัดนี่ทุมลีงากุสกิยะยะและกับเดวิดอันเนี้ยเป็นที่มาตูเกียมช้ำอีน่ะอามาเป็นชุมังมาหัดเวลาอันปันสามิน่ะและเดวิดna sanggam te hua Philistine te to ki do ding chin to an va pe pa ko to la ama mo tha ha te ama hua Philistine te ve ka do te ding chin de ve okay chin bye na amu chang aba sanggam ten hey nang bahang yangไปหนังเนี่ยหลายสีแต่หนังไปที่ไหนกี่เฉียว่าเอาแต่กาดองนะกลัวมากมีปะฮะองรัวฮีเลเวนฮีปะเป็นมิลเลนเบียจีน่ะคิงซอลแกไปนะคิงซอลโอ้เก่งตัวนี้เองฮีกลัวมากGoliathเป็นเก่งตัวเองเก่งมาตัวมีมันplace ของ city แต่ของลักษณ์จ้าจีน่ะคิงซอลโอเคจีน่ะเขาถามของกิ๊กกับเขาเลยฮีฟันแต่ฮีเอาจีน่ะฮีฟันแต่ฮีเลยโอ้กลัวน่ะฮีโลน่ะโอ้ตัวยังแต่ฮีจังอามาลักษณ์สักนะกันอยากฮีกับปวนตักโตเก็บไปว่ามันยังอิงจีน่ะตัวไปเลยสู้อาวันแต่กันในกูเซลฮีเดวิดเป็นลุยย่างไปแต่ทรงตั้งงาหลายน่ะอาศัยลีตัวนี้น่ะว่าเดวิดกลายเป็นตัวดิ่งไปใต้ฮีจตรงไปเลยกลายเป็นนี่น่ะนั่งบะฮังจังเตะของลงไปนั่งอุ้งพยายามชิเดวิดองสักยินตู้นี้อินภาษาเป็นหนังในสาวในดิ่งฮีเกตุปานั่งองทัดโจดิ่งฮีเกนั่งสังชิเดวิดส่งตังฮะยากว่าอินะสายลีส่งกว่าอินะสายลีกิเวสักนะแต่ให้จังอามันหัวตังทรูจีตอนนั้นลอนจังกลายเป็นอัตละสวงหักขาจะกลายเป็นดูกระสิเมมบัมตาฮีปะชานิอุปาเลกว่าโจดิงฮีอาเมนรุมดาเม